Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so this right here, folks, is the NQ on the 5-minute chart. I like to look at this when we start up in the WealthCharts live training room each morning. Basically, what you're seeing here is the volume profile with the 5-minute Heikin-Ashi. Okay, and so when we opened up, this is the 930 right here. We went higher, retraced back down to this previous low. And then once we got back through the POC here, we continued higher. And what I mentioned was, with the government shutdown, a lot of traders, just big picture, a lot of inexperienced traders are going to think the market's going lower. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a fake out and then go higher. But that's why we focus on the technicals. And really, once we got this wick here down to this double bottom formation, and then we had a Heikin-Ashi delta smooth extension, right? We see this all the time in the WealthCharts live training room. This is basically saying, especially when you get a flat bottom after the fact, that, hey, this could be a potential bottom for now. And sure enough, at the time of this video, it is, okay? But the other reason why I did believe that we were going to head higher with higher probabilities than lower close to the open was the gap. Right, this is a 4 p.m. close of yesterday's price, and a lot of times, over 80% or so of the time, it will come grab the gap at some point during the day, typically in the morning if it's going to, but then this can be support and or resistance. Okay, so in this case, again, at the time of this video, then you can see that this has become support. Okay, this has become support. Okay, all right. So with that, folks. How do I execute trades today in front of everybody in that WealthCharts live training room? Let me show you. So I am now going to go to the 1-minute chart. And so again, this is 10 o'clock right here. We went back into a buy zone. Okay, so we were getting back into a buy zone, knowing the gap, remember, was up here to fill the gap. And so once we get into the buy zone, champion trend is green. Okay, then I look for the entries here. This was a beautiful entry, breakout forecast, but we got that flat bottom candle. And that was a trade that I just scalped it. Okay, I scalped it for 12 ticks on the NQ. Had the retracement. Okay, and then another nice entry, flat bottom, breakout, range breaker. Okay, on that trade, I got out with another scalp of 14 ticks. So I was really focused on in and outs today. Sometimes we look for funding trades. Sometimes we look for, different types of trades depending on what the market's given us. But two really solid trades this morning in the WealthCharts live training room. Okay, so remember, folks, we're getting close now. October 6th to 11th, 4 days, 21 hours, 17 minutes, and 46 seconds, folks, till the Wealth 365 Summit. And looking forward to seeing everybody there next week. Register now if you haven't. Again, it's wealth365.com, join Keith. So wealth365.com/join Keith. What that will do is allow you then to view the schedule and get set up your favorite opportunities and speakers going into next week. So before we know it, it's going to be Monday morning. I'm looking forward to speaking myself Monday morning. And I hope you all have a great rest of the day. But don't forget to register. Again, wealth365.com/join Keith. Hope to see you all there next week. Take care.